This recipe is on how to make Lamugee, which is a spicy rice drink. It is healthy, delicious, and natural. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So here is my tamarind, and I'll be soaking this tamarind for 4 to 6 hours. Yep, in clean water, by the way. 4 to 6 hours. And here is my local white rice, which I'll also be soaking for 6 to 8 hours. These are the other ingredients for this drink. And of course, here is my soaked rice, and here is my soaked tamarind. So what I'll be doing is I'm trying to gently press out the tamarind and separate it from the chaff, but obviously it wasn't working here, so I had to get my bowl and a sieve to properly remove the tamarind from the chaff, and this worked magic. It took me some time, but yes, it worked magic. There's no space for waste here. So don't forget, of course, to like this video, leave your comment, of course, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Talking about my subscribers, I recently hit 1,000 subscribers in YouTube. I am so happy. I'm so over the moon. Oh yeah, that's it anyway. So I'm done straining my tamarind, and here is my blender. So I'm pouring my soaked rice into my blender along with the ginger, black pepper, chili pepper, and cloves. I'll also be adding water, quite a lot of water, not too much anyway, but enough water, and I'll be blending this till I achieve a smooth paste. Here is my sieve one more time. I have my bowl and my spatula, and I'll be straining the blended mixture. The aim here is to achieve a smooth drink. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel one more time so you can see me trying to strain out the Lamugee and take out the chaff, because we want this drink to be really smooth when we're drinking it, and that's the essence of all of this, straining out the chaff. You will see what I eventually strained out by the time I'm done straining out this chaff. You'll see it. And of course, I need to tell you, you can find loads of recipes on my website, theonlinecook.com. So whenever you're less busy, whenever you're free, just visit my website and you'll see so many recipes that you can easily try, and they will turn out delicious, because I have some tips and tricks of how to get the perfect, amazing recipes. Anyway, this is what the chaff looks like, and I'll be disposing this because I don't need this for this drink. The liquid in the bowl is what I need for this drink. Next, I'm pouring in my tamarind. Remember the tamarind? Yep, I'll mix it very, very well. Mix it properly. And of course, I'll also be adding sugar to sweeten this drink a little bit. And I'll be mixing this well until the sugar dissolves, because this sugar may dissolve and then the sweetness would not spread all around the drink, and we don't want that. So yeah, mix it very, very well. And here is my ice cubes to keep it cool and chill and delicious. So Lamugee is ready, and you can drink it this way, you can serve it. But here is the catch: if you have leftover Lamugee, you don't have to throw it away. Yep, remember, there's no room for wastage. So I'll be showing you how to preserve your leftover Lamugee. First, ensure that you have washed and sterilized bottles. You can see me stirring the Lamugee again because it has a penchant of settling down to the bottom. So I put my funnel in my bottle and I'm pouring the drink into the bottle. This is ready to be stored in my fridge. And remember, good food should be enjoyed always.